Okay.
Dang. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't done so already, make sure to check out my Instagram. Anyways, this video is gonna be super special, guys, because the STI is finally gonna get its first actual power mod, I would say. And not only that, guys, and I feel like this mod is gonna make the car super more reliable in the long run. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to my dad's house again. You guys know I've been storing it over there if you've seen the last couple of videos. In the last video, when I was doing the Q50 front grille install with my cousin, we actually found out that the STI had major boost leak and a bunch of other things. I actually recorded everything, guys. So with that being said, let's head over there. All right, guys, we just arrived. So going back to the things that were like loose in there, I'm gonna put those videos in right now. That thing right there is loose. No wonder I've been hearing like a turbo noise after I let go of the throttle. And then the other day over here, this thing was actually loose too. Yeah, so this car is a whole ass mystery. And now I actually found this part too. Loose. What the heck? All right, guys, now we're inside the car. And for those people asking what type of radar detector I use, this is the one, Escort 360 Max. And also, we have a little goodie here, guys. What do you guys think it's gonna be? We got the Cobb access port. Obviously, it's used, it's not new. Has a little bit of scratches and stuff. But it serves the purpose. I might just get like a new case, change the color or something to carbon fiber, or probably just a glossy black, honestly. So I couldn't resist the urge, guys. I actually already installed it when my cousin was here when we were installing that grill. So sorry about that, but it's already installed. Here, let me just turn it on for you guys. Connect it. Okay, so this is the access port. Oh, yep. Let's see what we have here. Tune, show current map. So this is a stage 191. Boost select, I put high wastegate. I'm not too sure what boost select means, but I put high wastegate because I think Beta said that to get the most power you have to put in the high wastegate mode. So since we don't have a intake, I just put a stage 1 because I think with the intake it's a stage 1 plus. So yeah, let's see if we were to change map, see what would come up. So there's the different tunes we have. Stage 191, boost select. This one just says boost select. So I'm kind of questioning myself on that one. But we got the high wastegate one. We got the low wastegate. Then we have the 93 octane. But I don't have 93, unfortunately. So I'm actually super pumped to have this too, because we could do a lot of different videos. We could do the 0 to 60 times, the quarter mile times. I think you guys are gonna really like these videos, because I know when I uploaded the ones for the Dibber CVT, you guys really like those. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same for this one. Let's warm this baby up. Put it in eco mode. There we go. Make sure it's on manual. Good. Let's put this sucker up here. I'm also going to try to record my first impressions. I actually have not driven this car. So, as you guys see here, this is going to be for the Cobb access port. Obviously, I didn't want to have another thing up there in the windshield because I already have for my phone. So I think this is going to be perfect right there. Alright guys, I'm just going to briefly show you guys how to install this. So obviously everything is intact, right? I already kind of opened everything. This part was like that. You just pry it off. And then after that, there's going to be a little bolt right here. It's just, you could take it off with like a Phillips screwdriver, you see? So you take that little bolt off, and then now you could just pull this back. And after that, you grab your Cobb access port wire and feed it through right here. This is how I have it. You kind of just put it in kind of like sideways, and then you twist it, and then that should go down. All right, like so. Perfect. Now we set our Cobb access port, and now it's not gonna go down. And then you can tighten these up. Your Cobb access port. It looks so good. What in the world? Perfect. Now we just put everything up. You can probably do a zip tie around those wires and just put everything back together, and you're good to go. All right guys, right off the bat, I know that I'm gonna have to give it a little bit more gas than usual. It probably fixed the acceleration, because before, like, we barely stepped on it and that thing wanted to go. And the reason I say that this mod is like a must do for like reliability and stuff is because in Beta Build's channel, he did dyno pulls on a stock Type RA, and then he did the stage 1 tune from Cobb. And what he found out was that from stock, these cars run super lean. And he says that if you tend to like run your car hard at like low RPMs and stuff, like first gear pulls or whatever, that in the long run it's gonna damage your engine, and like when you want to upgrade it and stuff, your engine is for sure not going to be happy. So that's why I just decided to do it at 4,000 miles, as you guys see on the dash right there, for the reason that I'm actually gonna build this car and I'm gonna try to push the limits on the stock block. So sorry stock block, but you're gonna be sent to the moon. So that's basically the reason, guys. And then when he did the stage 1 Cobb map on the dyno, Cobb's tune from off the shelf showed a really consistent fuel line. So as the RPMs went up, the fuel was super consistent. It didn't drop or nothing. So he said that Cobb did an amazing job on that part. So your engine should definitely be running a lot healthier than before, because from factory they run too lean. And I'm gonna try to get on it right here. Hopefully there's no cops in Mexico. So let's put this thing in Sport Plus. It's gonna be super hard for me to do this, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna do a first gear pull.
Laser alert.
Dang. This thing picks up. What the heck? I literally spin in first gear. I've never done that ever. Probably the high wastegate. Shoot. Like I'm telling you guys, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. Yeah, I need to get used to this. I'm used to like it catching super fast because of the throttle. Where is this cop at? What in the world? Behind me? I feel like it's up here. Oh, there he is. Later, cop. Drop it down to first. So who knows, guys, maybe the reason that I spinned in first gear was probably because I had that major leak boost before, and I guess the power wasn't ever delivered that hard. I think that's gonna be about it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.